Welcome to Other Solutions. Here the question is, find the line parallel to the y-axis at a distance of 10 units from it. Let's see the solution. Here let's draw the graph. So the horizontal axis is x-axis and the vertical axis is y-axis. It is given that the required line is parallel to y-axis and at a distance of 10 units from it. So from the y-axis we have to count 10 units on the x-axis and draw a line perpendicular to the x-axis so that we get a parallel line to the y-axis. As we know that parallel lines are those lines which do not get intersect or which do not get collide. So here the y-axis and the line at x is equals to 10 are the parallel lines which satisfies the given condition, that is this parallel line is 10 units away from the y-axis. So the distance between the y-axis and this line is 10 units. It is satisfied. So the required line parallel to the y-axis at a distance of 10 units is x is equals to 10. That's it. Thank you.